These are the most extreme oversized truck transport of the world, where skilled operators tackle massive, high-risk hauls through dangerous terrains. From industrial giants to entire buildings, these drivers face tight roads, unstable bridges, and extreme weather, all to complete the impossible. The Mack Titan. Let's start with the Mack Titan. One of the most powerful heavy-duty trucks used for extreme transport. With an incredible towing capacity, it can haul loads weighing over 200 tons. But maneuvering through narrow mountain roads with such weight, that's where true skill comes into play. Precision is everything. One wrong move, and this entire load could plummet down the cliffside. That's why these operators are some of the most experienced drivers in the industry. And believe it or not, they often have to do this at night when roads are quieter. The Kenworth C509. Next up, we have the Kenworth C509, another heavy-duty workhorse. It's a common sight in mining and industrial transport, moving massive pieces of machinery from one site to another. This particular truck is hauling a Cat 797 mining dump truck chassis, weighing a staggering 350 tons. Notice how the truck bounces on the rugged terrain. Even with advanced suspension, the sheer weight of the load puts immense pressure on the vehicle's frame and tires. Every bump and dip is a potential hazard, and sometimes these roads are so remote, drivers are completely on their own if something goes wrong. The Volvo FH16. And it's not just industrial equipment. Sometimes entire bridge sections need to be transported. The Volvo FH16, one of the most powerful road trucks, is built for jobs like this. With its 700 horsepower engine, it can pull loads that most trucks wouldn't even dare attempt. Transporting something this massive through a city is an engineering challenge. Every turn, traffic light, and overpass must be carefully measured and planned in advance. In some cases, entire traffic systems must be temporarily shut down to make room. The Mercedes-Benz Actros SLT. Some of the biggest transport jobs in the world involve oil rigs. The Mercedes-Benz Actros SLT is designed for these high-stakes missions. With up to 630 horsepower and a sophisticated hydraulic steering system, it ensures the safe transport of components that are worth millions of dollars. Escorts and pilot cars are crucial in oversized transport. They help clear the way, control traffic, and ensure safety at all times. And if you think regular drivers don't always cooperate, you'd be absolutely right. The Western Star 6900XD. Finally, we have one of the longest loads you'll ever see, wind turbine blades. These blades can be up to 300 feet long, requiring specialized trailers and highly trained drivers to transport them. The Western Star 6900XD is a prime choice for this job, thanks to its superior torque and stability. With blades this long, even a slight miscalculation can result in millions of dollars in damage. That's why drivers rely on spotters and advanced GPS tracking to navigate turns and avoid obstacles. And wait until you see the craziest turn coming up in this video. The Peterbilt 389. But if you think turbine blades are the biggest loads out there, think again. Some of the most delicate and challenging hauls involve nuclear reactor casings. The Peterbilt 389 is often called upon for these high-risk missions, thanks to its reliable engine and specialized modifications. These loads require not only skillful drivers, but also high-level security protocols to prevent any risks along the way. Every movement is planned down to the inch, and armed escorts are sometimes required. The Scania R730. And then there's house moving. That's right. Some transport jobs involve relocating entire buildings. The Scania R730 is the perfect fit for this job, equipped with high torque and a reinforced frame to handle massive weights. Moving a house is no easy task. Every tree, power line, and road sign has to be accounted for. With a load this wide, even small miscalculations can cause catastrophic damage. And sometimes the entire route has to be rebuilt just to accommodate the house. The MAN TGX 41.640. The MAN TGX 41.640 is a true powerhouse when it comes to heavy maritime transport. Ship propellers can weigh up to 100 tons, making stability and torque crucial for a smooth haul. Transporting such components is a critical step in building and maintaining some of the largest ships in the world. The Freightliner Cascadia. When it comes to space exploration, even the transport of components is a high-stakes operation. The Freightliner Cascadia is responsible for moving massive rocket boosters, often escorted by security and precision spotters. With such high-value cargo, every turn and stop is carefully calculated. The Evo Tracker. Imagine hauling a 200-ton industrial transformer through a dense jungle. The Iveco Tracker is built for extreme conditions, handling mud, river crossings, and uneven terrain. Delivering power infrastructure to remote locations is no easy feat, but these skilled drivers make it happen. These extreme hauls push the limits of engineering and skill. Which transport amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing truck operations